So it's Kevin here with Affordable Baths and Kitchens. Today we working in the bar downstairs of one of our clients. Sorry it's getting late, we don't got all our branding on, but I wanted to walk you through this project just so you can see what kind of work we pick up. So what he's working on right now, he's gonna put in a motorized window here. And so he's framing it out at 72. And what he just pointed out to me was just, this is what I love about working with him. The sink is right here. We were having to open this up another 2 inches. And so he measured center and said, hey, I'm just gonna go ahead and pull it that way. That's what makes it trustworthy. I mean, everything about having the right contractor. So. What was you doing?
Taking the chips out. See, it has some chips, so when that piece butts up to it, it'll be smooth, and then we put some silicone or whatever in there.
Okay, all right.
They're usually solid pieces. They're pretty strong.
There we go. Finally got it. Well, we're about to set the window in. As you can see, window's there. The goal is to get this in, get a nice transition, make that thing work. Professional window holder right there. Y'all see? That's what he does for a living, bro. He holds windows. Oh yeah, that look good. That look good. There you go. We got Bodega in here, man, putting in a folding window. Oh yeah, I gotta get it from the outside, bro. Oh yeah. That sounds way better. I want to see how high it go. So here we're doing the controls there, outlets, full tile over, all the way, just make it all tile. You can see that we just floated it out the window. So yeah, this is gonna be really dope. I think we're getting some new lights up in here. We're gonna replace the tile right there. So yep, we are actually getting closer to where we need to be. I'll walk you out here. Here we go. Right there. Let you check that out. This is the new design. Just a little board and batten, painted all black. It's gonna be dope. So if you're looking for a dedicated crew, Affordable Baths and Kitchens would love to work with you, see if we can help you. Again, we're not trying to break your pockets, we're just trying to do quality work.